Hello and welcome. Today I'm going to show you what is Prolog in our group's perspective. Well, for our perspective, Prolog is a simple programming language that was first introduced around 1972 by two French computer scientists, Alain Calmerer, sorry if I mentioned it wrong, and Philippe Roussel in University of Aix-Marseille, and collaborated with Robert Kowalski in a British computer scientist from uh, the University of Edinburgh. The concepts of this programming language are the subject of transposing fact statements to a logical statement, which will be explained through this presentation. Prologue for us can be part of oneself. We make decisions in our daily lives, like choosing a meal for the day, which path to take on your way to school, what you want to wear. Our life is full of daily activities, which can be a good example to be used as logical statements for making a prologue program. Prologue for us is also can make one's life easier and more productive in cases like school activities and work. In our program, we made use of our university's uh, organization named ICON. ICON is mainly composed of members from computing and information sciences courses. So for for this program, we will need a variable, of course. Variables in Prolog are can be called as facts or statements. You can call it facts. Same as this one. This is read as Bagisi is an icon member. Balawing is an icon member. Balsita is an icon member. Baleares is an icon member, and so on. So we can check these variables or facts in our Prolog terminal. So in our terminal we can use like this. Allowing, oops. So it returns true. Whenever you write like a statement or method in your terminal, it always returns true or false. However, you can always change the message prompt, which I will explain later, or I will show you later. It's not always true or false, or yes or no. So this, when you're entering in the terminal, by the way, um, this is read as is Balawing an icon member? It's like a question. Well, for in the program part, it is read as Bagisi is an icon member. So for the terminalist, you're asking a question. In your program, you're stating a fact. So let's get on with this program. Um, we can also see who are the members of icon. So x is like a default variable or a constant, which means is x. I mean, show me the members of icon. It's like that. So whenever you enter, if you enter this, you can see that. So continue looking forward to the list. You have to press semicolon. If you pressed enter, just by accident, just like I did, it will end the process and it will go back to the terminal. So why did we choose this program? So basically, there's a lot of first years for this month. For this school year. Um, some of them, most of them join this organization called Icon. So, especially my partner, for my partner for this project, he would like to know who are the Icon members that are joined this year, and who are the new and old members of this organization. So, for our methods, methods in Prolog are equivalent to logical statements such as if, is, this guy is a member if and only if he is a part of this school and this department, something like that. Example of logical statement. So for the method, we just choose some names to be used as examples. So here we declared our variable, the name, and the type, like uh, if they are old or new. So this is like read as Arellano is a new member of ICOM, something like that. So we can check. We can also check just like the last time I showed you. We can check who are the new members and is this person um, new or old, etc., etc. And for our method, which is our logical statement, we choose this to see if to see or confirm if this person is an old or new member. So for our statement, x, or the constant variable x, is old if, so this is read as if, well, we not including that one. This is read as if icon member, if x is an icon member who is already old, an old member. Here, this is like the continuation, and when this is true, right, you can add the like an action, write the name, then write this as a continuing statement. For some reason, when you add this in here, it makes an error. So let me show you. Is old. Gotta choose from this to Berna. Is Aberna an old member? Well, Aberna is an old member of ICON. That's true. There. So what if we add like reckon when he is true, he is new. So the output message is false, though we don't know, or supposedly there is, when the return statement is false, we're not sure if you can write the same as when you're true, when the statement is true, like this. We're not sure if we can message prompt like this. So for the new one, it's the same as the old statement, the old method. So this is all for our Prolog presentation. Thank you for listening, and that's all.